Oh my God, my throat is on fire. So I fished out part of my grocery haul, Greek style grocery haul, sharing these wonderful sugar-free watermelon flavor, iced tea flavor, Hall's cough drops. Why don't we have this in the US? Hashtag Greek food is better. Hashtag Greek medicine is better. I'll tell you about that later. But anyway, y'all, these little cough drops, especially this. I haven't tried the iced tea flavor yet. I'll report back. But this watermelon flavor is bussin'. It's bussin'. Anyway, y'all hear it in my voice. I have a sore throat. But Greek life and Greece vacay was worth it. I'm going to the doctor as soon as the sun comes up.